Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be-Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running mkdocs, a read the docs alternative, on Linux. To begin, launch a terminal and run sudo apt-update and sudo apt-upgrade to install any available software updates. Then using apt-install, we'll install a few prerequisite packages. Next, we'll use apt-install to install Python and pip. And finally, we'll install mkdocs. Now we'll create an mkdocs folder in our user directory, then cd to the new folder. We can create a new documentation site using the mkdocs-new command. We can then change directory to the new site folder and test the site using mkdocs-serve. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host, :8000. The mkdocs configuration is contained in a YAML file. Back in the terminal, run Ctrl-C to kill the running mkdocs process. Then edit the mkdocs.yaml file in nano. Change the theme to read the docs, then save your changes and close out of nano. Relaunch the test site by running mkdocs-serve. Back in the web browser, refresh to see the new theme.